Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into what truly makes the World Wide Web. These are the invisible threads that connect one page to another, one website to another, and allow us to navigate seamlessly across vast amounts of information. Without hyperlinks, the internet, as we know it, simply wouldn't exist. At the heart of every hyperlink is the HTML tag, which stands for anchor. The tag is quite simple, but incredibly powerful. It has an opening and a closing tag, and the content between them is what the user will click on. Usually text, but it can also be an image. The most crucial attribute for the tag is ref, which stands for Hypertext Reference. This ref attribute is where you specify the destination, the URL that the link points to. Think of it as the address you're sending your user to. So, the basic structure is clickable text. When specifying your ref, you'll primarily use two types of absolute URLs. These are used when you're linking to an external website, a site that's completely separate from your own. An absolute URL includes the full address, starting with the protocol like HTTPS, followed by the domain name, for example, https://www.google.com. When linking to external sites, it's often a good practice to add target = underscore blank to open the link in a new browser tab, keeping your site open for the user. Relative URLs. These are for linking to other pages or resources within your own website. They specify the path relative to the current HTML file. For instance, if you're on your index.html page and want to link to an about.html page in the same folder, you'd just use href = about.html. If about.html was in a pages folder, it would be href = pages/about.html. Relative URLs are efficient for internal navigation and make your site easier to move around. Beyond linking to entire pages, you can also link to specific sections within a page. This is done using ID. First, you give an HTML element a unique ID attribute, like htid = contact info, contact is less than h. Then, your link's ref will be hash, followed by that ID like jump to contact. This creates smooth internal navigation within long pages. Finally, the tag isn't just for web pages. It can also initiate other actions. Email links, using href = sway. Mail to email@example.com. Will open the user's default email client, pre-filling the recipient. You can even add a subject or body. Phone links on mobile devices. Ref = +stel +1,234,567,890 will prompt the user to call the specified number. Always use the full international format for best results. Understanding these different types of links and the tag's attributes is fundamental to building interconnected and user-friendly websites. In summary, hyperlinks are the internet's navigation system. By mastering the tag, absolute and relative, URL's internal page, anchors, and special mail-to and tail links, you gain the power to create a truly connected web experience. Always remember to use descriptive link text for accessibility. It helps all users understand where a link will take them. Now, let's put these linking skills into practice.